Welcome, mom entrepreneurs or moms that are thinking of entrepreneurship. This video series is with the intention of equipping you with tools and knowledge on how to build a successful business online. So, there is something special inside of you, something you know you can do or you can teach. You, my friend, are an expert. You can change the world. The secret gold nugget for you to change your life and help you become financially free and change your family's legacy. So Robert Kiyosaki from Rich Dad Poor Dad, the book, he teaches on this concept of the cash flow quadrant. I'm going to show you that. So we start with E as an employee, and most of us stay in that quadrant. And then we move on to self-employed, where we have our own business, but we're the only one employed. And then B, we become a business, and that is when we employ other people. And then we go to I if we invest the funds we have from our business into other ventures. So you have to get the business and investor stages as quickly as possible. And this is only attained through information. So side note, if you haven't read the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, go get the book right now today and read it, and play the board game that he offers as well called Cashflow. So my big questions for you are, what do you know and what can you teach other people? This book that I'm about to share with you, Expert Secrets by Russell Bronson, is a step-by-step on how to become a thoughtful leader and building a following of people who will pay you for your information. When we complete this book together, we will naturally be in the third quadrant of being a business owner. So you can do it all based on what you already know, even if you don't feel confident yet. So doctors, dentists, professional services, and even retail stores can all use what they know to create useful information that attract customers. So if you are a local business and you attach information to the storefront, you can reduce your customer acquisition costs to practically zero. So once you have a business, take the profits from your company and become an investor. That is how you will build true wealth. So Robert Kiyosaki, he paraphrased in the book and said that what does it take to make money? It takes a dream, determination, and willingness to learn quickly, and the ability to use your God-given asset. So are you ready for the journey? Share below in the comments one thing you know that is a step ahead of another person on that same journey. I would love to hear from you. Bye. Say bye, Eloise. Bye.